Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Home Market Models and Trilight Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee Construction Arcadia, episode 35. I wanted to show you the progress they've done on the texture for all the walls in this house. It's looking so good. Oh, so here we have it. You can kind of see walls. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. Maybe that's a little bit better lighting. So you can see we've got texture going on. I'm standing in the master bedroom. So we've got all the light switches and outlets and the fun things going on here. That's into the master bathroom. Oh, and the ceilings, they're just looking so fabulous. As we walk out here, in the existing part of the home, we had plaster finish. So we had concrete on the walls, basically concrete on the wall, so the plaster's there. And you can see here, this is how they're matching that up. So they've got a lot of work to do to accomplish this and then get the texture to match up. Oh, it's gonna be just amazing when it's done. But can you see how hard these guys are working? It just looks so good. Oh, here we are, over here too. Oh, there we go. Oh, fabulous. So again, we're matching up texture from a plaster finish to drywall. And so these guys are doing their best to get those two finishes to be similar. Then when the painters come in, they're gonna have to back roll it to make it look similar in texture also and not be a huge difference from one side of the house to the other. But doesn't this look incredible? Oh, and short of the orange construction fence and the blue tarp on the ground, isn't this an incredible view out the back of their home? So nice. This little house out here is where they're gonna be able to have their outdoor kitchen and all that good stuff to be able to serve all their guests. But just amazing day to day. Oh, and friends, we lost a tree. Can you believe it? There used to be a tree standing right there by that electrical pole. And thankfully, the neighbors had that taken out last week because our electric company was not going to hook up our electrical service until something was done with that tree. Oh my goodness. What a difference that tree made. Oh, goodness. Okay, friends, for Coffee and Construction episode 35, we're so thankful that you're here on this journey with us. We really do appreciate you. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.